Hey guys, what's up? It has been a while and I have been waiting for a solution to unlock AX3200. There are two variants of AX3200, the Chinese version and the international version. I still don't know how to unlock the international version to install OpenWrt. There is only a solution to unlock the Chinese version, so I'm going to try it with the Chinese version, which is also known as AX6S. Although it's called AX6S, it has nothing to do with AX6. AX6 ships with the Qualcomm processor, while AX6S ships with the MediaTek processor. The only similarity probably is just the shape.
Get strong.
Actually, the installation guide is very clear on OpenWrt website. We just follow these steps: unlock the Telnet access, decrypt the root password, download the OpenWrt image, set up the environment variables, write the image into the flash storage, then reboot. That's it, very simple. If you don't know what is Telnet, Telnet is just how we get into the command line interface. We need to install OpenWrt operating system by the command line interface. By default, Telnet is closed, but if you install this closed beta version or stock firmware, you will get Telnet access. Just download this closed beta version or stock firmware and log in the root administration web console. Upload it from here. It will be installed.
A few moments later.
Okay, after the router reboot, let's log in and take a look. There's a watermark on all the web page. I guess this closed beta version is just for internet use only. But anyway, the Telnet port is open. The default username should be root, and we still need to know the password to log in. Next, we decrypt the root password by this Python script. Make sure you have installed Python version newer than 3.7. Run the script with command line and pass the router's serial number as the parameter. You can find the serial number here at the bottom. Copy it and paste it in the Python terminal window. Press enter and we get the password. With this password, we can easily log in the router by Telnet. Of course, you can also find the serial number here on the label, but you've got to type in the characters manually. We have the Telnet access now. It's time to copy the OpenWrt image to the router. I have downloaded the image to my laptop. I'll share it with the Python simple HTTP server module. The image is in the downloads directory. I'll start the HTTP server from here, so that all the files in the downloads directory will be shared over the network. We log in the router. Run the cd command, go to the tmp directory, and just run the wget command to get the image from the laptop. Laptop IP address is 192.168.31.7. The router IP address is 192.168.31.1. They are both in the same network. They can communicate with each other without any problem. It's very easy to understand if you have a little network knowledge. But if you don't understand, you can also connect the router to the internet and download the image from the internet directly. It's much simpler. I don't want to leak my location information, so I'd rather not to connect the router to the internet. All is up to you. As you may know, the router settings are stored in NVRAM. To make it work with OpenWrt firmware, we need to change some parameters by issuing these commands. Just copy and paste, and it's done. Now we have the image in the TMP directory. We run the mtd command to write the image to the firmware partition. You know the router has multiple partitions, right? We just write the firmware partition. For more information about partitioning, please check my other videos. Now we just reboot. As documented here, it should boot into OpenWrt operating system. OpenWrt IP address should be 192.168.1.1. Let's wait and see.
A few moments later.
It is not 192.168.1.1. It still is 192.168.31.1. Unfortunately, it doesn't boot into OpenWrt. Looks like it still is the stock firmware. Probably we should try to run these commands and flash again. Copy it and execute the command in the terminal window. Run wget command to download the OpenWrt image again. And run mtd command to flash it. And reboot. Hope it works this time.
A few moments later.
Finally, we get an IP address from 192.168.1.1, which means the OpenWrt DHCP service is running now. Let's log in the administration web console. It finally works this time. The OpenWrt firmware makes it possible for you to install different softwares such as AnyConnect. You can do it with the opkg command, but the default OpenWrt image is too thin for me. Probably I'll compile a new image with some necessary softwares. Again, please check my other videos about compiling firmware. I have made videos about that before. You can absolutely create your own flavor or OpenWrt image. Alright, that is all for this video. Compared to other WiFi routers, AX6S is not difficult to install OpenWrt. Great thanks to the OpenWrt community. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share my video. I need 1000 subscribers. Also, if you know how to unlock the international version AX3200, please let me know. Thank you, I'll see you in next video.